On the other hand, vicious cycle is created by uneducated parents. This is non-advantageous condition or situation when uneducated parents do not understand the importance of education, and they do not give any means do not make any investment for the education of their children. They are unable to provide nutritious diet or the taking care of their health properly, as well as they did not understand the importance of skills and training. So in this way they form vicious cycle. Vicious cycle means further the society does not do not gain through such type of people. Now as in case of Sakal and Vilas, you can understand Sakal parents, though they were not educated, but they were aware, they were understanding the importance of education, and that is why they invested on the education of Sakal, and he was getting proper diet, and he went for the computer training, and in this way his parents created a virtuous cycle. On the other hand, you can understand vicious cycle was created by the Vilas parents because they themselves were uneducated. They did not have sufficient money to send their children to the school. He was not getting proper diet also, as well as was not skilled. So in this way in his life he was earning a limited income, and due to this limited income again he was unable to create the same cycle because he did not have sufficient money to invest on his children's education. So in this way this vicious cycle was created by Vilas family. Now here beta question arises here that though India is a big country and having a big population, still India is in developing condition. On the other hand, when we talk about countries like Japan or some other small countries, the countries do not have proper natural resources, but still they are developed. How it is possible? It is possible just because of their investment in human resource. Actually they did not have any natural resource. They import the natural resource needed in their country, means they import the natural resource from other countries, and they have invested on people. What they did, they invested on people. They make education for all, compulsory for all, especially in the field of education and health, means the budget of the country basically give focus on the education and health care of their country people. These people have made efficient use of other resources. When these people are are healthy and educated and skilled, so they utilize the other resources in a better way, like land and capital. Efficiency and the technology evolved by people have made this country rich and developed. Just because of their knowledge, their skill, their healthy status, they are able or capable to do for long periods of time, and their efficiency and knowledge of technology made their country rich and developed. Now economic activities by men and women. Beta, whatever we are talking about the economics, we are talking about the economics. So whatever the what are the economic activities performed by men or women? So here basically we classify the economic activities on the basis of their production into three. The first is primary activities, secondary and tertiary. Primary means basic, based on nature. Secondary are second type of activities based on primary production, and tertiary actually is a kind of services provided to the primary as well as secondary. Primary, now one by one we will look for the primary. Primary activities includes farming, mining, fishing, poultry farming, etc. Whatever the activities I have read over here under primary activities, all such depends upon nature. We are not going to get anything from other resources. If we are going to do farming, so land and water naturally we are getting. If we are going for mining, so naturally the minerals are stored in our surface. In the same way, fishing, poultry farming, all such activities are classified as primary based on nature. Now, what kind of activities are secondary? Secondary activities includes manufacturing work, all kind of manufacturing in which we use the natural products as a raw material, and further these natural products or raw material are turned or manufactured into a finished goods like cotton. When we use a cotton as a raw material, so we prepare a fabric, that is textile industry. Sugar, when we process the sugar cane, we get its byproduct, either jaggery or